Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 5 II and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change this because the leveler here is only available in the Pro mode. We can do it by going to the left corner here at the bottom to mode, and now let's pick Photo Pro mode. Here we are. This mode is only available in the horizontal line, so let's stay on this now. And don't be scared about all of the settings, you can also use this in auto. As you can see, we have auto mode. I can also invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of this. Now let's focus on this disp button here. When we tap on this, we can turn on the leveler. As you can see, we have here this line, another tab to turn it off, so this is really easy here. And this line is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. So this is how it works. And of course we can easily go back to the camera by tapping here and again tapping on the camera button. So now we are again on standard photo mode. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and leave the thumbs up.